Sir.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram.
Sir, what's your full name?
Full name D.V.
Ah,
Prasad Kumar.
Lily. Okay. You did you do some work for Guru Rupa Anand?
Yeah, she is my student.
Yesterday, I think your name was mentioned for two items. I went to an Arangetram by her student.
Oh, okay. The
So,
Alaripu that she performed was taught by me only.
oh, okay.
And the Jati is for Shivapadam, I think.
She did a Shivapadam, correct.
Yeah. Those were taught by me to her. Oh, you live in which city then?
I live in San Jose.
Oh, she also is from San
Yeah.
Jose.
She's from San Jose,
Okay.
and last 2 weeks in the Arangetram Nadita.
Yeah. Shivatsa
Shivatsa is in town.
ಶ್ರೀಧರಿಯವರು
Yeah.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Yeah. So
Okay.
Arangetram festival.
Hmm. There is one more, I think. Oh, that is in Philadelphia. ಅದು that is far for you.
No,
There are
there is
series.
one Florida ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ. In Florida there is,
Yeah,
right?
he landed
Ah,
today. I think they landed today. They'll be here for a
okay.
week. So Saturday we have like an Arangetram. But
Ah, there is a show also. There was a show in Philadelphia yesterday of uh, women of Mahabharata. ಅದು ಒಂದು that was the show which is going on by Madhavi Ratnagiri,
Hmm.
her students. So she is also learning from me. Many of them are learning from me. So this
Manjula
season,
from Jacksonville, Manjula is also there.
yeah, Manjula also.
So does Rupa Anand's daughter also learn from you?
Yeah. Aditi.
Aditi, yeah. So she's been the MC for all these Rangetrams. Her
Oh, very good.
pronunciation is so good. I mean,
Yeah,
it's like
she's very good. Very
it doesn't.
sincere also.
You can't feel that it's a kid born in America. Like the
Yeah.
pronunciation and all is so good.
Yeah. And herself and Naina's daughter,
Naina Shastri's
Maya.
daughter. Yeah.
Maya. She's also learning. They're all learning from, Rupa is learning from past 5 years. She
Okay.
started from at the time of Corona.
Hmm.
From the time of Corona. And their daughters are learning almost 2 years, 3 years from now. Yeah. Now she's confident. Rupaji was very afraid. She's very good, but she gets she's not very confident when she is on stage. But now she's very good.
Yeah.
She does she does very well. That's
Yeah.
what she had called yesterday and spoke to me. Sir,
Hmm.
I feel very confident now, and I did all things correctly, and we performed your Trishnamukhi Allaripu for this Arangetram, and all she was telling. That makes us very happy, right? When
Yes.
somebody says, yeah, yes. So what are we doing?
So you
We were
asked us,
doing pallu change.
Pallu change. What is that? Pallu change. Oh, sorry.
Muktayam for that. You asked us to
Yes.
write two more Muktayam.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Did you manage to get?
No.
I think so.
It's okay. Yeah. Why didn't you get it? What was the reason that you found?
Hmm. There's no creativity. So my creative side is gone.
The creative side will not be gone anywhere, it will be there. But it has to have some raw material to create, right?
I wrote two, sir. I don't know if that.
Very good. Tell me. What did you write?
I wrote. Should I say the numbers or should I rent?
Yeah, you tell me the numbers.
So
At least we know.
the first one I wrote is
Hmm.
I wrote 4 4 4 4
Hmm.
4 4. So 32 are done, and then I
Okay.
wrote 8 4 8 4 8 4 8 4 8 8.
Okay.
And the last,
What was your rendition pattern for 4 4 4 4 4 4?
so it will be Digutaritam Kitatakadim, Digutaritam Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari
What is
Kitatakadim.
this?
Digutari kitataka, digutari kitataka, digutari kitataka.
I didn't get the pattern.
So the pattern is in the first one I wrote 4 4 4 4 6 6.
What is that 4 4 4 4?
It is digut. So the digutari kitataka we need to have like one time, right? So digutari kitataka
Is
we
8.
need to have 8.
8.
So I divided that 8 into digutari and kitataka. In between I
You
put
wrote the numbers, you didn't divide. You just wrote 8 as 4 and 4.
yeah.
And then
And then in the second one where we get the 64 aksharas,
uh,
8484. So digutari kitataka tam, digutari kitataka deem. 8484. Because we need
so
to take,
Tom, okay, 12 and 12.
yeah.
54.
And then in the last one, I took digutari kitataka and then one karvai, digutari kitataka one karvai, digutari kitataka one karvai.
How do you say that? What is the total sum when you do Digutari Kitataka 1 karve, Digutari Kitataka 1 karve, Digutari Kitataka?
It is 24 plus 12.
1 karve means the 4 aksharas.
Plus,
Okay.
so it becomes
Why is the
total
karve at the
99.
end?
Huh?
Why is there a karve at the end also?
Yeah.
What did I tell you? The Muktayas should not have karves at the end.
No, not in the end, sir. In the end, I have digutari kitataka, digutari kitataka, digutari kitataka.
Why there are 3 Digutari Kitatakas at the end?
Because our pattern is like we have to have three. I mean, digutari kitataka thrice, digutari kitataka
Okay.
twice, digutari kitataka once, right?
Once.
So that's why I have in the end 3 times digutari kitataka because our sum also should come to 96.
No. See, the first Digutari Kitataka is Digutari Kitataka Tam. Digutari Kitataka Tam. Digutari Kitataka. Second one is also same. Digutari Kitataka Tam. Digutari Kitataka Tam. Digutari Kitataka. Then why is the last one Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka without any karve there? What is the pattern there? What is the logic?
My second one is
Ah.
so the second one is 8484 8484 second line 88.
84848 828288
Can you see?
Okay, 848484 88 444444. In the first, where is the 8?
Oh, that 8 I divide like digutari tam, kitataka tam. So there is digutari kitataka, but there is a karvais in between.
But even then, your second pattern has 2 8s.
Yes.
Third pattern has 3 8s.
Yes.
There should be 1 8 in the first one also, right?
Oh, I cannot divide up that digutari into like half and put the karvais.
You can do. See your pattern. At the end of the second pattern, you have 2 8s. At the end of the third pattern, you have 3 8s. You should have 1 8 in the first pattern also, right? At the end of the first pattern, you should have 1 8 then.
Okay, so then I can make I can just make 8484 84848.
8484 8484 8.
Yeah. Then it will be, I thought it will become, it is same again, there won't be any difference and it should sound different, I thought, and I put like this.
There is a rule for Muktaya, Shravani. You cannot have 6 divisions in one Muktaya.
Oh,
4 divisions in one Muktaya.
okay.
It's not like that.
It has to come down.
Yeah, no, not coming down, going up. Illa. There should be 3 sections in a Muktaya.
Hmm.
If you have 4, 5 sections in one Muktaya, and then second section you have many other divisions, third section also you have many divisions, you cannot call it a Muktaya then.
Okay, sir. So it can be,
You see the original Muktaya. What was the original Muktaya?
it is Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitataka.
Okay, how do you write it?
84848.
What is the second section?
So it is Digutari Kitataka tam tam tam, Digutari Kitataka tam tam, Digutari Kitataka.
So how do you write it?
8844884488.
Third one will be 888444, 888444, 888.
So
Then you see is there a symmetry there?
yes.
So if you write your Muktaya like that, you should find a symmetry. What is a symmetry?
So now I can write 84848, 8484, 848488, 848484, in next line 848484888.
Once again, you tell me the first from the beginning.
84848,
Hmm.
8484, 848488.
Hmm.
Then it
848484, 848484, 888.
888. Yeah.
Symmetrically, according to the number, it is correct. But when you say, it doesn't sound like a Muktaya.
So yeah, because before I was not saying it right. Now I can say Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kitatakatam, Digutari Kitatakadim, Digutari Kit. Oh, I can say Taditomnam also.
Yeah, you can say whatever you want, but it does sound like you are saying continuously Digutarikatakatam, 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 Digutarikatakatam.
Yeah.
It should also sound clear.
Okay. So
I can't, yeah, I could have, I should have, I would have made a Muktaya like that also, but the theoretical aspect is correct. What you are thinking theoretically, 184 or 2 8s4s and 1 8. 2 8s and 2 8s. 3 8s and then 3 8s. Theoretically, your pattern is correct. But the next step is, that's why I wanted you to write different Muktaya patterns. The Muktaya should also sound like a Muktaya. In theoretically, when you write the numbers and tell them the bifurcations, it is, yes, they can make out. Yes, this is a clear pattern. She's taking 1 8 and 1 4, 2 sections, 2 8s and 2 4s in a different way, 2 sections, 3 8s and 3 4s in a different way, 3 sections. When you write, it is very evident. But if I say your Muktaya, it will sound like this. Digudarikatakatam, Digudarikatakatam, Digudarikataka, Digudarikatakatam, Digudarikatakatam, Digudarikatakadim, Digudarikatakadim, Digudarikataka, Digudarikataka, Digudarikatakatam, Digudarikatakatam, Digudarikatakadim, 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 Digudarikataka, Digudarikataka.
very confusing it is.
Ah,
Just repeating.
yes. Even though our Muktaya pattern is right, but we should also make sure that they are grouped in such a way, it also sounds very clearly that there are 3 sections. First 3 sections are like this, second 3 sections are like this, third 3 sections are like this. I could have made the same Muktaya like you have done. But the grouping, because of the grouping, it sounds as if the same section is getting on, repeating, and you can't even remember how many times also, because when it crosses over 3 times, it's very hard to remember. And there are 4 sections in the second, there are 6 sections in the third, which are very similar. Understood? But good but good, you have taught it in a correct process. The symmetrical pattern is correct, but you should make it sound like it's a muktaya. You can make it sound like a muktaya like this. Ta kita kita taka tergadom dhi kita kita taka tergadom digutari kita taka ta kita kita taka tergadom dhi kita kita taka tergadom tata kita kita taka tergadom di kita kita taka tergadom digutari kita taka digutari kita ta kita kita taka tergadom dhi kita kita taka tergadom tom kita kita taka tergadom tata kita kita taka tergadom di kita kita taka tergadom tom kita kita taka tergadom digutari kita taka digutari kita taka digutari kita taka. You should make it sound different. Even though everything is an 8, but not every 8 should be pronounced is the same way. It can have multiple textures, right? So if you change the sounding, it sounds different, but even then, the values are all same, 84, 84, 84, 84 throughout. That also makes it monotonous. Okay, na? So you should find different ways after you write the numbers and you find that there is a symmetry. When you say them, record them and hear once. Are they sounding the same way as I am planning on the paper? Or when I say it is, I am getting confused myself. Okay. So when we get confused, everyone will get confused, and they'll ask you, why are you repeating the Digutari Kitataka so many times? It is coming all in all the places. Because they don't understand. They can't bifurcate in numbers when you say. Okay, na? Yes. Yes, Suchitama. Nimge yaak barlilla?
I think I'm a bit confused about the rules. I knew
So.
that I had to maintain 8484.
Hmm.
But Tom, instead of Tom, I don't know what to substitute. The only thing I can think about is Dheem.
Yeah. So, is
So,
there any pattern that you wrote?
no, I just replaced Tom with Dheem. That's it. Everywhere.
Okay. You said Digutari Kitataka Dheem, Digutari Kitataka Dheem, Digutari Kitataka. That is only sounding, as I was saying,
Yeah.
Shravani also. The sounding can be different, yes. That is one way. You can take another 8 akshara sholokat instead of Digutari Kitataka. You can say that. That is one way. Yes, accepted.
But
Like,
I have to maintain the Digutari Kitataka, right? Because in the main thing, everywhere there is.
yeah, you have to maintain the Digutari Kitataka. You can flip it up and down. Nobody had taught like that.
You mean I do
Other than
8,
Shravani.
then 8 plus 4 and 8 plus 4?
No, you could have done 888444, 888444, 888.
But can I also do within the first part, can I also flip it? Like 8, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4? Or no, that's not allowed. No.
No, there should be 3 clear sections. In between those sections, we are giving carves. 8, 8, 8. In between 3 8s, 4 and 4. We are not giving any carve anyway we want. No. How? What is your muktaya when you do didite itam didite itam didite? How do you write didite itam didite itam didite? It is 4 2 4 2 4. Right? Didite is 4. Tam is 2. Didite is 4. Tam is 2. Didite. So what is the pattern of the muktaya? There are 3 didites. In between them, we are giving karves. After the first didite, after the second didite. Not before, not after. In between them, we are giving. So that is the rule. Okay. So when I'm saying this, so when I said 1 Digutari Kitataka Tam, Digutari Kitataka Tam, Digutari Kitataka 848, 8844, 8844, 88, 88844, 88844, 888. You could have flipped it upside down and made one more muktaya.
Yeah, that we did last class. Yeah, flipping it. But I cannot flip within each part, is what you're saying.
No. You can't flip. You can flip within each part, but you should think brilliantly. How do I bring different numbers now? What is 888? Alva. So on the first class only I said when you are doing 3 thrice, you can also do it like which is similar. You could have done that here. because you have already known that 6, 8, 10 is also 8, 8, 8. Right? You could have done tarikittatakatam, digutarikittatakatam, digutarikittataka, tarikittataka, tam, digutarikittataka, tam,
Oh,
digutarikittataka.
so Digutari
Could have done that.
Kittataka needs to be there, but Digutari Kittataka doesn't need to be the main thing.
No, instead
Not
of
Digutarikittataka needs to be there or not. It is 8 akshara. 8 akshara can come in 888 form, 6810 form, 1086 form. It can take many forms. That's what
No,
I
sir.
said the last class.
So the main part we do
Hmm.
3 Digutari Kittatakas, 2
Uh,
Digutari Kittatakas, and 1 Digutari Kittataka. So that is a
ಹೌದು
3-2-1 pattern
ಹೌದು
with Digutari Kittataka. So in the Muktaya, we have to do Digutari Kittataka in that 3-2-1 pattern.
Who said that?
No, because that's what we've done.
That's what you've done. I didn't ask you to do the same thing now. You go back to your previous Koraipo. What was that previous Koraipo? You had 6, 8, 10 in there.
Yeah.
Is it not the same as 8, 8, 8?
so instead of
Yes.
888444, we could have done 6810.
You could have kept the carways in the same way.
So
You
then,
could have altered the 888 as 6810. It's already there.
So you're saying keep the Tams, change the Digutari Kittatakas to some other 8.
How that's shown, that is the only way you can do. You can't change the tam because you don't have a pattern for tam in the previous Koraipa. The tam is tam always. It has not changed.
But
Right.
but Digutari Kittataka is the main thing in the Koraipu, right? We always say Digutari Kittataka. So I have to keep Digutari Kittataka in the
You
Muktaya.
have heard only Digutari Kitataka. You have also heard Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka. It's not always Digutari Kitataka. It
So
has
you're
changed.
saying I could have kept, so I could have said Ta Kita Kittataka, Digutari Kittataka 3 times in the main thing, but then in the Muktaya,
No. You should have said Ta Kita Kitataka, Tari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka, Digutari Kitataka.
Okay.
From there
There
you could
also
have
it has to
changed.
change. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And when the second step, when you are doing 2 8s, you can't do the 3 pattern. So you should have done the same way that we did there. Ta kita kita taka, tari kita taka, digu tari kita taka. So that 24 matches. 8, 6, 10. 8, 6, 10. That's why I didn't ask you to change the whole Koraipa. I said to come up with different Muktayas.
Okay.
That's what I said, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you are thinking of the Muktaya, there is no need to change the whole Koraipa. You could have seen the same 8s as 6, 8, 10. Then you should have had 6, 4, 8, 4, 10. 6, 6, 4, 4, 8, 8, 4, 4, 10, 10. 6, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 4, 10, 10, 10.
So I don't have to maintain the 84848. I just have to maintain the sum.
Yeah, that's how you can change. If you maintain 8, 8 as it is, you can't change.
Okay. Now I understood. I thought you have to maintain the 84848.
When did I say that?
No, I
Did I
understood
say?
that. I understood it as that.
No. Otherwise, we can't change. See, if you say a sari should be manipulated, you should bring up a different design. What does it mean? Did the size change?
No, so
Sorry,
the size remains the same. Okay.
Designs change. How do you make up different designs? You have to come up with different combinations only. You can't maintain the same color, same lines, and still change. You can change the color. That's all.
So in the Muktaya, in the first section, you just need to sum it up to 32 somehow. Any combination.
Everywhere, not only in first section, everywhere.
Okay.
The total sum is 64, 32, 16, 8.
But that
Here
4
also.
should always be Tam.
but it is
That can
important
also
to
be
know-
manipulated, but you don't know now
Okay.
to manipulate. If you manipulate that, you will end up in wrong sums.
Yeah.
So now you know 8, 6, 10 is 6, 8, 8, 8. 6, 8, 10 is also 8, 8, 8. That you know, you can see the same 3 8s in 6, 8, 10. I can visualize it in thousands of patterns. But as of now, you know these two patterns. Three tei 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 didi tei tei didi teis can be done as one tei didi tei 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 didi tei 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 didi tei. That should be in your mind. So you could have changed this muktaya in that way. Okay. For example, I'll give you one more option now. See, the same 6, 8, 10 or 8, 8, 8 can also be rewritten as 4, 8, 12.
4, 8.
12.
4, 8, 12.
End of the day, sir. Brain is not working.
This is the beginning of the day. You should not think it as an end of the day.
24, sir. We need 32.
Oh, yes, sir. 24, sir. 3 8s are 24, sir.
Huh.
6, 8, 10 is also 24, sir.
Yeah, but here it is 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, which is 32.
6, 4, 8, 4, 10. That is also
And then
32.
you need something else.
Where do you need something else? It's already
We need
23.
another 8. 24, we have to do 32. The first part we have to do 32.
You're not at all listening, Suchita. 6, 4, 8, 4, 10 is 32. Where is the 24?
4, 8, 4, 6, 4.
Right. You
32.
can't imagine numbers in the air.
32, correct. 32.
You got it 32.
Yes.
You don't have to add another 8.
No.
No? Sure?
6, 4, 8, 4, 10. No, you don't have to add.
Where did you add those 8?
6, 4, 8, 4, and 10.
Where is that 8 that you are asking? 6, 4, 8.
There's no 8.
6, 8, 10 is 24, sir. We have to add 8. Where did we add 8?
As a Karvai.
That she is not seeing that. See, Suchita, 3 8s iddaga sum was 24 alva.
Correct.
Then we added 8 ಎಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ?
That Carway.
8 4 ಆ 4 ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 8 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ 4. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 6 4 8 4 10. ಆ 4 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 8 ಅಕ್ಷರಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. 6 4 8 4 10. Alva. But now when I'm saying one more combination, I am not changing that 4. I'm just manipulating with that 6, 8 and 10. I'm telling it as 4, 4, 8, 4, 12.
So that means that last one, that last row which you are increasing.
Now whatever I said, did you understand?
Yeah, I got it. I got it now.
No, what is the number I said? What is the number I said?
So the original combination was 8, 4, 8, 4, 8. Okay. One combination you can do is 6, 4, 8, 4, 10. Another combination you can do is 4, 4, 8, 4, 12.
Yes. So everything is 32.
Correct. But my question is that last row that you have, which you are increasing, you cannot put carways. So
you are putting carways. 4 is what? Carway only?
No. Not the plus 4. The last row, which was 8, then it became 10, then it became 12. That increasing that, like 2 aksharas, are we adding carway? We are adding some.
You can add carway, you can add akshara, you can do anything.
There's no rule.
Up to that 4, 8 and 12 pattern. But there should be a sounding similarity. You can't bring some other alien akshara and put it here.
What do you mean by sounding similarity?
Digutari kitataka, tari kitataka, kitataka. There is a similarity. Kitataka, digutari kitataka, digutari kitataka. There is a similarity. There is no other akshara than digutari and kitataka. You are manipulating in digutari and kitataka only. You are taking out one digutari and making it 4 kitataka. You are adding the same digutari at the end and making it 12. Digutari kitataka. Is there any other word used? You can't use, what I'm saying is, you can't use kitataka, digutari kitataka, tadhinku digutari kitataka.
Okay.
The tadhinku is not there here. Okay. Similarity in sounding means using the similar kind of letters that you have already been using.
So can you do things like digu tari tari kitataka?
You can do. You can do kitataka, digu digu kitataka, digu digu tari tari kitataka.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, or you can also do kitataka kitataka
Okay.
kitataka. This is
Very
very common.
advanced.
That's what I didn't say
So
all those
advanced.
things. If you want to add carways, then you should think very advanced.